check out this custom Chevrolet here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1962 Chevrolet two-door wagon. Now, this started life as a 62 Biscayne four-door wagon, has been customized into this beautiful street rod, now a two-door wagon. So you're not gonna see a lot of these out there, let's put it that way. And check this out, underneath the hood, 6.2 liter LS3 power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, 4L60E, power steering, power brakes, AC. So this is modernly equipped with a great drivetrain. You can see the bright work, headlight surrounds, grille. Looks good up front. Kind of a medium red paint that shows well with a neutral or tan interior. According to the previous owner, less than 1,000 miles on this since it was built. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Boyd Coddington, 5-spoke polished wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes each corner, tubular control arms up front. We'll take a look underneath the hood. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run, and then don't forget, stick around at the end of the video to be able to see what it's like driving this one or going down the road in it. Kind of take a virtual ride, if you will. This is a custom airbrushed finish where the bright work would have been down the side. Very stock looking dash. Like I said, we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, check out the interior a little closer, let you hear it run, see the engine bay. First, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Of course, the rear window rolls up and down with the handle right here incorporated into the rear latch. Left it down so we take a peek in the rear of it. Rear end's 373 gear, posi traction rear end. Flowmasters underneath. This was an Oklahoma car, all metal. Take your time looking through those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. This one shows well. What a car to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, especially people who are familiar with Chevys. And here you have a 62 two-door wagon. Interior also finished off nice. No rips, tears, or holes in the seats. Some custom stitching, making out the Chevy bow tie in the back rest, tilt column. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. So more modern gauges, nice gauge setup. You can see miles on the odometer shows 709. Listen to that. Got a little bark to it. Again, 6.2 liter LS3 power, automatic with overdrive transmission and a 4L60E. Just slip up to the front, check this engine bay out. I'm going to pause it 1 second. Let's get this hood open and take a peek. All right, underside of the hood. There it is. Great looking engine bay, cold air intake, aluminum radiator, some nice chrome components, Patriot headers, see tubular control arms, some nice suspension setup in this one. Power steering, power brakes, AC, 535 horse. Is a newer 6.2 liter. This car's ready to go, folks. Stick around. End of the video. See what it's like going down the road. Take a little virtual ride in it. 1962 custom two-door wagon. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1962 Chevrolet Wagon. This is based on an Impala. This is a two-door. If you had a little red wagon when you were a kid, this would be the grown-ups red wagon. Very good acceleration. Wild exhaust sound. I love that exhaust sound on this car. We have modern gauges in this car. Temperature is showing 190. We have a little tachometer right here in the middle. 2,000 RPM at 60. Oil pressure is also 60 PSI. I have not gotten the radio to power up. Wipers do work. Blower motor works. This car stays nice and straight right where you put it. Very easy to steer. Nice leather wrapped Mankato steering wheel. Fabric on the bench seat. It's a very comfortable car to drive. Clean interior, clean exterior. Very nice restoration job. Modern handling feel to this car. Corners excellent. Acceleration is very good. What a fun car. Take a look at all the pictures. Undersides, engine bay, and read about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.